Ever pondered how the gardens of the medieval times brimming with herbs came into existence? These verdant spaces trace their roots back to the monastic gardens of the Middle Ages. Here, a fusion of spirituality and practicality gave birth to lush landscapes of healing and sustenance. The monks cultivated these gardens, harnessing the power of herbs for their infirmaries and kitchens. These gardens, born out of necessity, were the forefathers of our modern herb gardens. From the humble beginnings in monastic gardens, the concept of herb gardens took a fascinating journey. Initially seen as part of monastic life, herb gardens soon became a staple of the broader medieval landscape. In the late Middle Ages, formal gardens started to emerge, showcasing the evolving sophistication of garden design. Trade and exploration introduced a vast variety of exotic herbs, broadening the scope of these gardens. These new additions added both aesthetic and practical value, transforming the herb garden into a treasure trove of intriguing flavors, medicinal aids, and even magical components. Herb gardens began to serve multiple purposes. In the kitchen, they provided fresh ingredients for cooking. In the apothecary, they supplied remedies for ailments. In spiritual and magical practices, they offered essential components for rituals. The evolving design of these gardens, from practical to ornamental, mirrors the changing perceptions of herbs in society. The echoes of these medieval herb gardens still resonate in our modern gardens. Their influence is evident in our use of herbs for cooking and medicine. A renewed interest in organic and home gardening reflects this enduring legacy. These medieval herb gardens, while a product of their time, have left an enduring legacy. Fascinated by the journey of medieval herb gardens? Dive deeper, explore the rich history, and marvel at the intricate designs of these gardens. Understanding our past truly adds value to our present. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories.